Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to check SSD and HDD speed in Windows 11. And for this we go to CMD and then we do right mouse click and do run as administrator. Then we do yes. And then right now what we want to fill in is winset, that's the prompt, space, and then do disk. Now please do enter, and right now he is reading your SSD because that is my main disk in my laptop. So from now the first thing that he will show us is the speed for SSD. So right now here it is. So if we go to disk sequential and disk sequential here, these two information is what we were looking for. So we have 2022.02 MBs per second and 1354 MBs per second. The first one is to read and the second one is to write. Now we go to the other disk, and that is our HDD. I don't have that, but if you have that, you need to fill in winset space disk space, then this sign, and then your drive, and then your drive sign behind it. So let's see my drive C. Then you do enter, and then right now he will check for you your HDD. But I don't have my HDD, so he won't give anything. But if you have that, please write down this prompt right here with the correct drive or disk drive behind there, and then he will give you all the information. So from now, thanks for watching, have a wonderful day, and hopefully this video helped you out.